Today we are going beach trail riding, okay? It's in Niagara. People who know me, I love animals and I love doing anything that has to do with animals, so we're going horseback riding. My friends who live in Dubai do this on the regular. Me, I don't even go to the beach. I think it might rain today, so this is gonna be exciting. Yo, you watch it. You look good. You so good. You look really good. Oh, really? Thank you. You look good. Thank you. She has horse girl vibes right now. Have you ever been horse riding?
No, I have not. I did, however, ride on a donkey. But I'm excited. Let's say inshallah khair is gonna go well.
Alia, have you ever been horseback riding?
I have actually when I was younger. Just like once or twice, but I don't remember. And then I was just like, you guys, I went.
This is the first time I hear this. What do you mean?
Hashtag candid
Obviously, like I'm not like Nora.
Guys, and this is where like Lee would zoom in on my face as all those YouTubers do, right?
Yeah.
And we're gonna go horseback riding inshallah on the beach. Like that's pretty cool.
She's a horse girl.
She's a horse girl.
Remember to be one horse apart or two ponies, okay?
How are you? I hope you're doing okay. Do you like living on the farm? I feel it. I feel it. Okay, so we're all getting ready for it. Everybody gets their own horse, obviously. I don't know why I even said that. This is Georgie.
Our guide's name is actually Lynn. That's fun. I've never had to say, okay, I'll see you, Lynn. Good boy. Oh, I'm hungry. Look at this girl. So cute. Dude. You guys, I can't get over this. Look how beautiful this is.
I see you though. My horse is trying to go ahead of the horse that's in front of us. We're gonna be running soon. Yeah. Good job.
There's an omen. I wanna know when.
I found out that these are trail horses. They are not race horses. So what I was saying was if you get scared, the horse will be nervous as well.
They corrected me and told me that these are trail horses. Trail horses are trained to know that people go on them and off them all the time, and so they don't get as anxious as other horses, like race horses. It came at a perfect time. It was supposed to rain today, but never trust the weather forecast.
Especially in Canada.
Ever.
We're on the road. Oh my god, no, that's not what I mean. Georgie, let's go, come on. Wallah, I feel like I'm a part of the movie that I loved as a kid.
Like what's in the movies, want to know it absolutely like you do. Like you do.
Whoa there, sir.
This could help me. Close your eyes, your lips, and tell me if it's true. If it's true.
Big branch. I know, we're not eating the big branch in our way. Oh shit. Woohoo. Good boy. Where are you going? Oh my god. Oh my god. I didn't know this was part of the... Are you kidding? Hey guys. We're just chilling. We really are. But this is amazing. Looks like we're on an island, first of all. Like, it looks like we're in Cuba. Okay, bye. Let's go. Listen to what Noura's singing. What hunter? It's a little weird for me to hold my phone like that. I don't have a crew working for me. Must be nice to just chill there.
So you're gonna keep this footage, so you're right on behind you, bring it back, and then helmet and pouch before you scream it.
Thank you. This was a selfish video that we filmed just because we were going out. Do you think it's expensive?
Honestly, I thought it'd be more expensive than it was.
It's not the average that you would pay going out with a bunch of friends, but it's definitely worth it.
A lot of people ask me where we went because it's different. It's not just a regular trail and then that's it.
You'll find it in the description.
Look at me.
Give her a like.
Oh my
I
god.
have to like her. And she has a
she's
great
so much
personality
fun.
and she's going to put so many amazing videos.
Thank you guys for saying that. $50 each.
Wish I could feel what I can't see. I scream like a banshee. Something's hiding in the pantry, but I can't find it, so would you please enchant me? Give me a potion, put my devotion to the emotion.